How to make money online in Kenya in 2026. In 2026, making money online in Kenya is no longer a dream. It is real, practical, and possible for anyone with a smartphone or a laptop and internet connection. Many young people, parents, and even full-time employees are earning extra income from the comfort of their homes. Some are working as freelancers, offering services like writing, graphic design, and website development to clients around the world. Others are creating videos on YouTube, selling products on social media, or promoting items through affiliate marketing. You can start small and grow step by step. For example, a freelancer can earn from 10,000 Kenya shillings to over 100,000 Kenya shillings per month, depending on skills and consistency. An online seller can make profits by reselling clothes, electronics, or digital products. Content creators can earn through adverts, brand partnerships, and product promotions. The key is to choose one path, learn the skills, stay consistent, and avoid online scams that promise quick and unrealistic money. The internet has opened many doors for Kenyans to earn in dollars while spending in Kenya shillings. With discipline and patience, you can build a stable online income in 2026. To learn more detailed steps and strategies, view more about this in our blog at titocreations.co.ke or visit our YouTube channel at Tito Creations.